To be honest, I think I like this better than the Milo one. Hello everybody! It's Mika Pineda once again, and yes, I was very happy with the response with the Milo Dalgona video because, like, you know, I've been being and today we are going to make milk tea dalgona or TEH TARIK dalgona. TEH TARIK is milk tea in Malaysia. Hello to my Malaysian subscribers, because I did a video about like what things that you can eat in Malaysia, and that gave me a lot of subscribers from Malaysia. So for milk tea dalgona, you can use whatever milk tea powder you want. TEH TARIK by Chek Hup 3-in-1 milk tea. I have also tried it with this, and you can also use there. So basically, my point is, you can use any milk tea powder that you want.
So we're gonna be putting 5 tablespoons milk tea powder, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 1.5 tablespoons of hot water. And then you mix that. Add 2 tablespoons chilled all-purpose cream or whipped cream.
To my viewers who suggested that I use all-purpose cream, it's so good. Thank you for the suggestion, guys. Ooh, look at that. Looking really luscious. More. I feel like it's all foam on top, but good foam. Okay, that is good. This is so good. To be honest, I think I like this better than the Milo one. Okay. Oh, you're still there? If you have more suggestions on what recipes you want me to try, go ahead, tell me what you want to see on this channel. I love to cook, I love to bake, and since I'm on lockdown, I have more time to do that. Okay, cheers! Try it at home, let me know how it goes. And if you haven't seen my Milo Dalgona video, it's here, or yeah, somewhere. Subscribe!